So here's interesting app which recently is trending in the top chart of the App Store, which is called Travelboast, My Journey Routes. And yeah, so let's just install it and see how it works and like what's all the hype is about. So I think this app is basically was made by a solo developer, but it reached the top chart of the App Store. And here what you can do, you can, if you want to plan some trip, you can just create these really amazing animated videos. Like you can select like your arrival destination and where you're starting from, and then you just add all of that, and then you create like a cool video animation, like with the boat, with the ship, with walking, with with all means of transport. You can draw the route, choose a transport, save videos, and then just share with friends, especially on Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok. And this is much more like creative way to show off your journey, and just like to brag with friends, like how are you gonna traveling and all of that. And it can make you really stand out on Instagram instead of posting some, this year I'm going to Italy or something like that. But you can also add this bot and just get a lot of likes or exposure, or just have fun. And like if you're a company, some travel company, this is the way to boost your social media presence. So here is the app. So here is the tutorial. Let's just go. So start point. So we can just write like for example from Copenhagen, where are you going to, for example here. And then you can also create some like point, choose transport here. So I just tap on the transport, and then I can select plane, for example. Can select different effects. I can add some annotation. Okay, I selected this one, and then there is also premium transport for which you need to pay. So then I select it, and then I can just play the video. Okay, so something like that. And you can see these videos are really like interesting, very animated, and you kind of, it's very fun to watch them. So then you can just increase the model size. You can change the video length. If you don't want like 10 seconds, the minimum amount is like 9 seconds or something. So if you don't want to take too much time, you can just do that. So then you can just tap save video to camera roll, and then you can just share this video to Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok. So something around that. You just need to give access to your photos and share either on TikTok or Instagram from your camera roll. So there you have it. You can also change the different map. So here is all the map selections you can do. Then you can change all the if you want to have some 3D effects, and also have miles. Then you can also like show all map, and or like show your home country or country from which you are arriving, show the kilometers, and these are the resolutions which you can choose: 101, 16:9, and 9:16. So it works well for Instagram, for TikTok, and Snapchat, I guess. So really cool way to if you're planning some journey, or you just came back home from some incredible travel adventures, you can just create this quick create this quick video overview of what it looked like. And yep, then that's just how it is. And share it on Instagram, promote it to your friends. And that's nice looking. And like, if some of your friends don't know geography and you said you visited some like cool spot somewhere in some part of the world, this will just help them out to exactly see where you go, what was your like trip, what was your route, like which part of the route you selected, and all of that. So something around that, that's how it can work. That's the app. Super interesting. Yeah, so definitely give it a try. Super easy to use. uh, yeah, just double tap to delete the point. uh, so that's basically it. Nothing complicated here, and really amazing app. So you can try to download it to support the solo developer, I guess, who built it. And this app now reached like top 100 apps on the App Store, which is really amazing. So there you have it. Other than that, yeah, I don't know if you can upgrade. You don't even need to create an account or anything. I don't know like about what happens to your data if you're concerned, or how to contact support. Probably just go on the App Store, and then there should be yeah, just in the app description there should be some space tab to contact developer and reach out to app support. Yeah, overall, hope you enjoyed this overview, and thank you for watching.